Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Alrighty, taking a look here at our Holston Valley Medical Center camera. A nice sunset ongoing across the area. And as we head into the overnight hours, we'll see more of these high-level cirrus clouds increasing, and that will allow for us to have partly cloudy skies overnight with our temperatures in the 30s. 52 right now in Kingsport. Calm winds outside, dew point around 35 degrees. That's where I expect our lows to bottom out to into the overnight hours. A lot of times, if you ever want to try to help forecast temperatures across the region, you can look at that dew point. And a lot of times the temperature will drop down to that dew point as we head into the overnight hours or very close to it. So there's a little weather forecasting 101 for you. My Christmas gift to you, how to forecast some temperatures across the region. All right, let's talk about clouds and rain here as we head into your Thursday. As we go into late Wednesday night, as I mentioned, clouds will be on the increase. And then as we go into Thursday, here comes those rain showers and here comes more heavy cloud cover as well. Now, winds will be gusty as well tomorrow, especially in the mountains as we see some of these downsloping winds ongoing. You notice through the majority of the day here on Thursday, a few spotty showers around, but the majority of the heavy rain stays away from us until we get into the later portion of Thursday and into the overnight hours. That's because of those downsloping winds coming over the mountains, helping to dry things out a little bit across the foothills. Here comes that band of rain, though, as we go towards 11 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the morning, 3, 4, 5. A wet morning commute on your Friday across the area, including the potential for some isolated flooding in spots. Increasing clouds, temperatures in the 50s tomorrow with those showers moving in, especially as we head into the later portion of the day and the evening hours here. Look at all the rain associated with this system and even some severe weather here across portions of Texas as well. Some tornado warnings there west of Dallas, all advancing off towards the east. Heavy showers and thunderstorm activity across Dallas, and then more rain as you go further north into portions of Oklahoma. All this system moisture is coming off the Gulf of Mexico, and so with the big push of moisture off the Gulf and also the warmer temperatures, the heavy rainfall potential exists here as we go into late Thursday and Friday, especially across the mountains of North Carolina and in the Tennessee mountains. Front comes through late Friday into early Saturday, helping to dry us out a little bit, but look at all the rainfall we could see before that. Some of these red colors are indicating 1 to 2 inches of rain, so generally we'll say a range about 1 to 3 inches across the mountains with slightly higher amounts, not out of the realm of possibilities, and about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches across southwest Virginia. I think lesser totals as you go further north from the state line of Tennessee and Virginia, heading towards Kentucky and West Virginia, and higher totals as you go south towards the Knoxville area, towards Asheville especially, and into the Boone area as we go into your Friday. All right, let's talk about those flood threats and where they're going to be highest. First off, low drainage spots, those poor drainage locations, also along the creeks and streams in the mountains. And while river flooding doesn't look to be a significant threat, it's something we're going to have to watch here as we go over the next couple of days, as we could see some gusty winds moving across the air, or some river flooding in spots as we go into the next couple of days. Winds also getting gusty, as I mentioned. Those downsloping winds will cause some strong wind gusts, 30, 40, 50 miles per hour at times, maybe up to 60 across portions of Carter County, especially in the southern side of Carter County, across Unicoi County, and also in the mountains of Greene County and towards White Top as well for Washington County, Virginia. We'll keep an eye on that as we go into your next couple of days. High wind warnings in effect for those locations. 7-day forecast looks like this. Temperatures in the 40s, 50s, and even a few 60s over the next 7 days. Friday, with those downsloping winds and also that big push of moisture in from the south, our highs are going to climb into the upper 50s to low 60s across the air. It's going to be a very nice and warm day. Some of the foothills, portions of Elizabethton may even hit 63, 64. And tomorrow, portions of Elizabethton and some areas that see those gusty winds off the mountains could even climb a couple degrees warmer, maybe to about 54, 55, maybe 56.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Rick.